students will be asking the burning question: how can I activate my application so that it becomes fully functional? Okay, so what you need to do is launch the O3SCHOOLS application. It's a recommended application for Jamb exam. Okay, we have the Waec app. If you look here, the Waec app is also available. If you need the Waec app, just click on, you see this place where they wrote download O3SCHOOLS Waec app, click on it, okay, to take you directly to Play Store, all right, and you'll be told to install into this to install, all right. So the application is there for you. Okay, so the app has everything you need to succeed. Okay, as you can see here, you can see practice for UTME. The exam you're writing is UTME, not Jamb. Okay, Jamb conducts UTME for you. Okay, so you can call it Jamb Sha because that is the normal thing that everybody knows and calls it. Okay, you can practice past question here. Click on it here now. Okay, you can see, you can select subject. Okay, and then you can choose the year you want to study. Okay, you can choose the number of questions you want, the topic, okay, you want to focus on. All right, you can choose the mode you want. Do you want a practice mode, a mock mode, or study mode? Okay, all of that are effectively put on the application for more, to afford for more flexibility of your studies. Okay, so also there's a classroom. Okay, you can what? The lecture notes are on the application, the classroom, study plan, timetable, Jamb syllabus, video lessons, flashcards, everything is on the classroom. Okay, there's question search and so many other features that you can, I'm sure that what you can see. All right, so to activate your app, just click on this activate shown here at the top. Okay, once you click on activate, all right, the next page that opens to you, you will see where they wrote buy activation key. Okay, so click on that buy activation key. All right, then here you will see what the first option, pay online. Okay, you can pay online. It's recommended because when you pay online, your app gets activated immediately after your payment is successful. Okay, the activation fee for the 2026 Jamb app is 4,500 naira. Okay, just see it as a token, as an investment into your future. Okay, so please get the application. If it has not been helpful, all right, if you're looking for cheaper ones, they are available. All right, cheap ones are available. Okay, but there's a reason why they are cheap. All right, so I'm sure that you have heard move the purge belle. Okay, get something that will help you once and for all, pass your exam at once. Okay, so you can click on proceed and then follow the process to make your payment with your ATM card. Then also you can make a direct transfer to the O3SCHOOLS what's it called, account number. Okay, there's a Zenith Bank account, there is a Money Point account. Okay, so anyone you choose to pay to, not a problem. Okay, make your payment. Then when you scroll down, you can now select payment method. If it is bank deposit to use, select it. If it is transfer, select it. POS, select it. ATM transfer, select it. Okay, and other. Okay, so anyone you do, all right, let's say POS, for example, you can put your depositor's name. Okay, so let me say my name is Commander. Okay, this is the commander of the O3SCHOOLS Army talking to you. All right, so then which bank did you pay to? You can now select maybe Money Point or Zenith. Let's say Zenith Bank. Okay, so to make this very easy for you, okay, we have added a WhatsApp button directly. Okay, and there's also an SMS button also. Okay, so if you want to send it directly to us on WhatsApp, okay, after your payment, just click on send to WhatsApp. All right, then there's no WhatsApp installed on this phone, so that's why you can. But if you have a WhatsApp on your phone, once you click on send to WhatsApp, okay, it will generate a message that has an information that we need to open your app for you. Okay, so once you send it to us, all right, we'll activate the application. All right, so also you can pay with Google Pay. Google Pay requires that you have purchased something from Google Play Store before. If you have not, you cannot. Okay, and it requires, maybe you need a dollar card. It's majorly for students or international students and even Nigerians also, although you can use it definitely. Okay, but for international students, they use it a lot. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So our app is used globally. Okay, it has everything you need. Everything is on the app. Okay, we can practice. This is our YouTube channel. You can check our testimonies on the YouTube channel. Scroll to YouTube channel, click on this YouTube channel. All right, it will take you directly to our YouTube channel. Okay, come to this playlist. Click on it, okay? Then you can see the second part where they put O3SCHOOLS app testimonies. Click on it. Look at all our testimonies. See how people's life have been transformed. Sometimes it's not about the 350 that they got, okay? 300 and something or 280 something that they got, okay? Sometimes it's the process, Okay, O3 Schools gives you a process, in fact, a genuine way to pass your exam once and for all. Okay, if you want to access video lessons from our YouTube channel also they're also available. Okay, go to playlist, you'll see a lot of subjects. Okay, there's CRS, government, commerce, biology. All your biology syllabus has been completed. Okay, everything on biology is completed. And all other subjects, okay, that are on the application. So if you need chemistry, also is here, physics is here, mathematics is here, all right, government is here, CRS is here, all right, literature is here, English is here. So whatever you want to do, you can achieve what maximum success. Okay, whatever you desire, go for it. Okay, don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. There's nothing you cannot achieve. And definitely, please, this app is not scam. Okay, we cannot create something as huge as this to scam you small 4,500 naira. Okay, so please get your app activated, study to show yourself approved, and you will give your testimony definitely. Okay, so it's your commander saying bye for now.